Hey! Today, we're going to show you how you can create an animated GIF for your emails. This is how it's going to look when we're finished. Using GIFs in your emails will significantly increase your click-through rates and general engagement for all your email marketing campaigns. First, let's start by searching Bannersnack on Google. Then create an account, or just log in if you already have one. Click on Create New, then select your size. This time, we'll use a custom size, 600 by 280. If you want, you can change the height of your image to any size, but for this width in particular, we recommend you stick with 600 pixels so your GIF will fit any screen size. For this GIF, you'll use a blue background. Then add images from your own library or choose from one of our stock photos. Next, we're going to add some SVG files. This way, we'll be able to change the color at any point. After the illustrations are in place, we can start animating them. Let's place the paper plane where its animation will end. Open up the timeline. Select your layer. Then on the left side, we'll set the duration of the movement to 2.5 seconds. Pressing the Build-In button will give us multiple animation options. Slide right will be the best one for us, but we'll need to customize it a little bit. Don't worry, it's pretty easy. First, let's choose an ease type to make the movement more natural. The direction will be custom as well. Offset X and Y determines your starting position. The alpha gives your image transparency at the start of your animation. We don't need it for this example, so let's set it to 100. Previewing the changes makes it easier to get it right. Now that the hard part is done, let's preview the banner to make sure it looks and works as we want it to. Let's add our logo and text. Keeping it simple is the key to success. Our alignment option will help us position the layers perfectly. For a nice effect, the logo and text will appear only after the paper plane flies over the center. So we'll have to set these layers' starting time to around 1.5 seconds. And while we're at it, let's add a basic build and transition so everything will look smoother. Using the timeline, we can change the order of layers. The paper plane should be above all the layers, so let's drag and drop it to the top. One last preview and we're done. Save it to your library and download it as a high-quality animated GIF. Since a GIF is just a moving image, you can add it to your email just as simple as any static image. You've just created an awesome animated GIF for your email.